So these are Arrow Zoom acoustic foam panels, and there's a few good reasons why you might want to pick them up, but I'm going to show you in this video the kind of difference it makes to your audio. Are you ready? Let's go. So one reason you might want to pick these up is because they look really awesome. Arrow Zoom do a bunch of different colors, sizes and styles, so you can get real creative with them. And as you can see here, I went for the blue and black panels, and they come in sets of 12, but of course you can always buy more. And if you are going to buy some, stick around because I got a discount code for you. So the second reason you might want to get some acoustic foam panels is for the soundproofing aspect of it. So if you're the type of person that likes to play games at the proper volume late at night, or maybe you like to watch movies with your full surround sound on, then you might just annoy your neighbors.
Don't scratch it! Wait!
And that's why soundproofing might be a good idea for you. So if you do decide to buy some Arrow Zoom foam, one thing to bear in mind is when you get something like this, it's been heavily compressed, you have to let it expand for 24 hours before you do anything with them. After that, you simply apply the sticky tabs to each corner and then you're ready to place them. Alright, so this is the audio before applying the acoustic foam, and I'm using my Blue Yeti X here. And I've got the omnidirectional sound on, so you can hear how the sound is echoing around the room. Now check this out. This is how it sounds with the acoustic foam. All right, this is the audio with the foam on the walls. How does it sound? Can you notice any difference? It's still on omnidirectional, so it's still picking up all around the mic. Can you notice the difference? Let me know. And the third reason you might want to consider some acoustic foam is if you're a content creator, a voiceover artist, a musician, or even a podcaster or live streamer. You might want to get some of this because it's really going to help you reduce the reverb and echo in your room. So one little bit of advice for you guys, having just applied these for the first time ever in my life, just be really gentle when you first put them on, because when you try and move them, if you really push them down, you're going to start ripping some of the foam away from the back. So just place them gently at first. When you're happy, then push them down. So let me know what you guys think of this new setup behind me. Going back maybe a year ago, everything was just white. There wasn't much color happening. I didn't have any lights at the back here. Does it look better, or do you like the old style? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to buy some of these, there's already some awesome discounts running right now, but you can get a further 10% discount if you use the code at the bottom of the screen right now. And I know this isn't my usual tech video, but it might be useful for some of you guys, especially if you're gamers and stuff like that. Arrow Zoom acoustic foam, so far so good, and I'm actually quite liking this new look I got here behind me. Anyway, thanks for watching this What Gear review. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.